Tesla Model Y 2022 will crush the competitions because of this. The Model Y from Tesla hits the sweet spot in the expanding electric vehicle crossover segment. It shares the same platform as the Model 3 sedan, but with a rear hatch and larger internal space. Tesla's large supercharger network enhances the Model Y, and the latest variants give a best-in-class range. The Model Y's dashboard display is a little cluttered with settings, but it's previously the class leader despite flaws. Aside from the eliminations of the standard range model, the current 2022 Model Y lineup, which includes the long-range and performance AWD trims, hasn't changed much from the 2021 models. This year, the long-range estimated driving range has increased when fitted with the standard 19-inch wheels. A 275 horsepower electric engine drives the rear wheels via a single-speed direct drive transmissions in the Model Y standard range RWD. 19-inch wheels with all-season tires and a rear-view camera, a 15-inch touchscreen, a 15-speaker audio systems and satellite radio, link navigations, wireless charging for 2 devices, and in-cabin Wi-Fi are some of the standard features found in the automobile. Forward collision warning with automated emergency braking and Tesla's autopilot adaptive cruise control are all included in the Model Y. The latest Tesla Model Y long range with dual motors and all-wheel drives starts at $62,990 and has a range of up to 330 miles, which outperforms its competitors. It also comes with driver's seat cooling, heated rear seats, and synthetic leather inside, as well as the options of a $3,000 third-row seat. The 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance starts at $67,992 and has the same dual-motor AWD systems as the previous model, but has a shorter range of 303 miles. It also accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, easily outpacing the 4.8 seconds acceleration time of the long-range model. Currently, Tesla Variant 3 model, for example, starts at $46,990 and has a base range of 267 miles. The entry-level RWD Ford Mustang Mach-E has a range of 247 miles and costs $43,895. The ID4 from Volkswagen costs roughly $40,760 and has a range of 250 miles, with a starting price of $34,000 and a range of 258 miles. The Hyundai Kona Electric outperforms them all. The Model Y follows the Tesla design lineage in terms of appearance. Its bulbous exterior sets it apart from competitors, but it looks like a little oat. Although the inside is more simple than most automobiles in its class and price range, it is nevertheless pleasant and spacious. It has lots of room for people and luggage in the back cargo compartment and front trunk. The cabin has an open, breezy feel with superb outward visibility thanks to large windows and a full-length glass roof. The absence of most physical controls contributes to the vehicle's austere interior design. Instead, you use the 15-inch touchscreen and the steering wheel scroll and push controls to access and explore options. The variety of tasks you can operate via the 15-inch screen is daunting at first, so this system demands a steep learning curve. Be prepared for the Model Y's idiosyncrasies after the Model 3, which employs virtually identical mechanisms. While driving, it is hard to browse and tap through various menus on the screen. It's worth noting that Tesla is the only major automaker without Android Auto or Apple CarPlay capability. Tesla's proprietary systems, on the other hand, has many of the same features, and wireless phone connectivity is a nice bonus. The vehicle also receives regular over-the-air upgrades, which introduce new features and improve functionality, which is the fundamental differentiations between Tesla and other companies. Tesla dominates the electric vehicle market for a variety of reasons, but for some purchasers, quick accelerations seals the sale. Despite the fact that the base Model Y standard range RWD has a 6 to 60 time of 5.3 seconds, it easily outpaces most other vehicles. The Model Y has 3 steering modes and 2 driving modes. The vehicle's enormous battery is located under the floor, giving it a low center of gravity and good stability in turns. While the suspension isn't as strong as the other sports cars, it's smooth enough to keep the car in place in all but the most extreme corners and bad weathers. As previously stated, the Model Y comes with all the necessary driver assistant features. It accelerates, steers, and brakes on the highway using adaptive cruise control and lane keeping aid. Just like similar systems, but unlike other systems, it functions better and more seamlessly than competitors. The dashboard screen graphically presents the situations around the vehicle in real time. If you want the contentious full self-driving capability, which allows it to brake for traffic signals and stop signs, change lanes, turn, park, and pass slower vehicles automatically, be prepared to spend an additional $12,000 on your car. The Model Y, like the Model 3, is the segment leader. Its popularity has skyrocketed in the 2 years since its publications, and it's easy to see why. The long-range model of the 2022 Model Y gives much better mileage than competitors, while the performance model combines a long range with seat-pinning acceleration. Furthermore, Tesla's regular and constant OTA software upgrades help enhance its vehicle's capability over time, making the Model Y's price more bearable. Overall, the Model Y, like other Teslas, is filled with safety technology and seamless drive assistance. And obviously, Tesla is ahead of its competitors, and it is exciting to see what kind of development we'll get to see in this industry.